These are the curtains that I've installed myself. By the way, if by any chance you've seen my first two videos, you'd know that this is a DIY project. So I have never installed any curtain rod before, and from where I'm standing, it looks fine. The installation looks to be okay. The curtains are nice and everything seems to be just fine. Okay, but in actual fact, I had an error here. And this is what I wanted to share with you so that you do not repeat the same mistake as I did. Okay, so let's slide the curtains toward the left. Okay. And then this toward the other end. Then let's go back to where I was standing before so we can see what the mistake was. By the way, this is the view of Ayala Avenue. We are at the north part of that road. Okay, then other buildings. There you go. That one is Buendia Avenue towards the end. Okay, so I'm going back to where I was standing. Then let's see what the mistake was. So did you notice? Okay, it's the alignment. The middle part is higher than both ends. Okay, so the mistake here was that I did not consider the middle support first before installing the left and the right brackets. Okay, so just that simple tip. If you're about to install this rod, put first this middle support and then the distance from the drop ceiling shall be the guides for the brackets. Okay, so that's just it. By the way, another thing, just to share with you, this curtain rod is not actually a curtain rod per se. It's an improvised item. I went to the local hardware. I asked if they have any stainless pipe, and they queried what diameter do I need. I said I need a 3/4 inch diameter, and the length is about 8 feet or 2.4 meters. And I got it for only, I think, 150 pesos. So it's very cheap. Okay, and then I bought this separately, the middle support from Ace Hardware, and the guides or the brackets, both ends, from Lazada. I think all in all I spent, I think, just 300 in total. Okay, so by the way, the measurements of the window is, the whole length is 2.3 meters from left to right. And then the height of the window is 1.55 meters. Okay, the window sill from the floor is about 0.57 meters. Okay, there you have it. So I hope that simple tip will help you when you're about to install your curtains. Okay, you can do it by yourself. Just make sure you have your own drill. You would need a drill for the guides or the brackets at this side. Okay, this one, at the middle portion, you don't need the drill because this ceiling or the bulkhead is just gypsum board. So you can just screw it straight away. Okay, so again, just a simple tip for the curtains. Hope that will help you, and thank you for watching.